my name is Becky Bradshaw and I am part of the primary maths team here at Oxford University Press. Today I'm going to talk you through what's inside the Numicon Geometry, Measurement and Statistics 4 teaching pack. If you don't know already, Numicon is a maths programme which is based on a concrete, pictorial and abstract approach. It encourages children to use structured imagery and apparatus to help them understand and explain mathematical concepts. This teaching pack for Geometry, Measurement and Statistics 4 contains all the core materials for teaching children aged 8 to 9 years, which is Year 4 or P5 in Scotland. So let's take a look inside. It includes Geometry, Measurement and Statistics 4 Teaching Resource Handbook and Geometry, Measurement and Statistics 4 Implementation Guide. Let's start by looking at the Teaching Resource Handbook. This contains step-by-step activities to develop geometry, measurement and statistics skills. There is information about how to get the most out of your teaching materials, including planning and assessment support, and how to use the physical resources. For Geometry, Measurement and Statistics 4, you will need Numicon Starter Apparatus Pack B, and you can see this here. Opportunities to use the resources are clearly signposted in the Have Ready section in the activity groups, and we'll come to these later. There are long and medium-term planning charts which cover all the activity groups in the Teaching Resource Handbook. The teaching progression is carefully scaffolded, which means that children will only meet a new topic when they have enough experience of the mathematical learning that underpins it. There is a handy overview of the activity groups, which highlights key mathematical ideas. This is followed by 10 activity groups, which are arranged in 2 strands, geometry and measurement. Statistics is covered within these strands through appropriate geometry and measurement contexts. Let's take a closer look at an activity group. You will see that the strands are colour-coded, so geometry is green and measurement is purple. The information at the top of the page helps you to easily identify the context of the activity group and how far through the strand you are. The key mathematical ideas highlight important concepts that you meet in this activity group. There is an overview of the educational context, and that shows how it builds on prior learning. The learning opportunities are drawn from real classroom experiences. There are also assessment opportunities and links to Explorer progress books and Explore More copymasters. Each activity group includes step-by-step focus activities. They start with low threshold activities and then build to high ceiling activities. This allows you to differentiate for every child in your class within the same activity group. All of them are supported by easy to follow instructions and clear illustrations. You will also find photocopyable masters to accompany the activity group at the back of the book and Explore More copymaster homework activities. This is an opportunity to discuss and practice maths outside the classroom, and it is designed to encourage parental engagement. There is a copymaster idea to complement each of the 10 activity groups in Geometry, Measurement and Statistics 4. You will find one page of information for the parent or carer on how to complete the activity and suggestions for next steps. The other page is a child-friendly activity. So let's move now to the implementation guide. This introduces what Numicon is and offers advice on the best ways to implement it in school. It is full of practical advice and answers to key questions, including the most effective ways of using resources and including planning and assessing with Numicon. There is a section on key mathematical ideas that children will encounter during the year. This is an extremely useful reference tool for you before you start teaching. There are detailed explanations of how to develop ideas when teaching with Numicon. So that's an overview of what you get in Numicon Geometry, Measurement and Statistics 4 teaching pack. If you want to find out more, you can look inside the books on our website or get in touch with your OUP educational consultant to order a pack. See details on the screen now. Thanks for watching.